What's up everybody? We're so excited today because Naturnest just sent us this brand new rooftop tent for the top of our car, and we are so excited to check it out. Let's get into it. All right guys, let's jump into the top of the car first before we ever put the rooftop tent on top. So we've actually bought in 3 different kinds of crossbars. The first pair we bought off Amazon were great, but this plastic boot that comes in the end of it came up too far on both sides. So the metal on the bottom of the rooftop tent actually rested on the plastic, and we didn't feel comfortable with that. Second pair we bought, I actually bought off of Facebook Marketplace, and they were great, but they actually didn't fit our current roof rails. So the third pair, I just went to Cabela's. I found kind of a higher weight that they had. It was 165 pounds, which is the weight of the tent. That's a super important detail to look at too, is in your user manual or online before you buy one. Check the weight of the tent and then see how much your actual car can hold and the roof rails can hold, and then what kind of cross beams to get accordingly for that. So this Subaru Forester that we have, it has a dynamic weight, so like a moving weight while something is on top, of 175 pounds, and then a static weight of I think like 700 pounds, which is pretty awesome. The installation of these were super easy. They do tell you in the handbook just how far to space out your crossbars, so that way the tent is evenly distributed across the whole roof, instead of having them too close and trying to put all the weight there or too far apart and things like that. So just read the user manual, do some Google searches on how much your car can actually hold. Some cars can't hold that much, some cars can hold a lot. Figure out some aftermarket roof rails and cross beams, whatever you need to outfit your car to fit your rooftop tent. All right, let's get this guy up here. All right guys, we got the rooftop tent on top of the car right now. We need to put all the brackets on and install it, and I'll show you how that goes right now. We'd use 3 people to get it up. We asked our kind neighbor to come over and help us, but I think you could do it with 2 people. It just is easier with more people. All right guys, it comes with a few different types of brackets. The first one you're gonna use is this smaller one that you're gonna insert the bolt through. And then once it's in there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide it through the attached beams that come underneath your rooftop tent. Once you have 2 of those brackets in there, you'll use this B member right here, and you're gonna insert the bolts into there around your cross rails, allowing it to then tighten up around there. All right, everybody, we just got everything installed. It took us about an hour to get it up there and installed, just because some of the tight spaces and trying to get the wrench in there. It did include like a ratchet type wrench, so that way you didn't have to pull it off, put it on, twist it, pull it off, put it on, twist it. It just kind of wrenched itself on there. So we're super excited to go try this out. We'll keep you up to date on all the adventures that we have with this coming up.